Everybody in this biz know that we don't fuck with y'all. Disrespect the fat man, you gon' be the last man. I'ma fuck around and slap one of y'all with a backhand. You a bitch, I won't even hit you with the closed fist. No shit, tell them boys miss me with that. Back down, the king is back now. The king of white trash is about to act out. When it's time to smash out, drink until we pass out. Me and my bitch will find a bitch and beat the bitch back out. Send me to hell, hate I came back. My arrogant ass is acting like I ain't fat. I'm on now, bitch, and you can't change that. And if you wanna see me, then we can arrange that. It's a lot of trigger.
When I grow up, I'm gonna have this truck if you get another one.
Why?
Because it's super duper cool and it's fast.
Yeah? We're gonna make it work again?
Mm-hmm.
Ready, buddy?
Uh-huh.
I've been drinking, I've been smoking, rolling through the city with my eyes half open. Eyes are rolling, I can't hold it. I'm fucked up and everybody knows you can keep your drama, I don't need that sucker. See, I came from the rubber, you can see my hustle. You don't know my pain, you ain't seen my struggle. So my middle finger's up like I'm a Diaz brother. Talk shit till we pull up in the full truck of fools holding tools are ready to shoot up anyone who abused us, bullied and used us. This is the revenge of the misfits and losers. Hold up, the fat man is on, y'all. The joke is back and Batman is gone, dog. It's all wrong, so really fuck all y'all. And that's why you on my missed call. It's a lot of jealousy, but life goes on. Made it from the bottom, why'd it take so long? People hating on me, it's the same old song. And the hate goes on, and the hate goes on. Gotta lay in the bed if you made your own. I'm on fire and I can't go wrong. People hating on me, it's the same old song. And the hate goes on, and the hate goes on. Sipping syrup lately, I've been getting slurred. Smoking weed, sipping syrup lately, I've been getting smoking weed, sipping syrup lately, I've been getting slurred. Smoking weed, sipping syrup lately, I've been getting swerved. I've been getting swerved. I've been getting swerved. What if the love that I'm missing is finally taking control? What if the drugs in my system are finally taking a toll?
Fired up.
What if I see my heart? Lord, what I
What's the worst that can happen? Send it!
for me to be right now. I only feel right when I'm doing wrong. I only feel right when I'm doing wrong. I only feel right when I'm doing wrong. I only feel right, said I only feel right. What if the darkness inside of me's finally taking my soul? What if the angels in heaven were sent